that Wordsworth walked 180,000 miles in his lifetime. He did a lot of wandering, and perhaps, just like him, you did. You have been doing and still be doing a lot of wandering too in your adult life. 20 years back, until now, and the years ahead. And in the early years of your 20 years, you're on your own. You experience a lot of solitude, lonely as a cloud. You're on your own, a feeling of detachment from your fellow. Just like the cloud floating above the ground. For example, deciding what course or career path to take. Diba? 20 years ago. Or eventually deciding about when and whom to marry. Diba? Or decide to be single for life. It's a choice. And you are happy with your choice. And many others. Nasiring pagpadayon, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle in the Milky Way. Along the way you have been trying to seek out, follow and reach your own star, and made your distant sparkle in your own galaxy. You shine as a member of your own family. You shine as member of the workplace, in the community where you are serving. But sometimes, our stars sometimes flickers down. Sometimes it's outshine everyone, or it is continuous, or unbroken, but sometimes napapanding ang ating mga ningning ng mga bituin. No? Iba-iba kasi ng bituin ang ating sinundan. And then, nasiring at the end, my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. That in our life, we have our own crowd of daffodils. We are not alone. No, you are not alone. Tama si Ma'am Emily. We need connections.